Getting a X3.01_7. DLL is missing error? Don't worry, we'll show you how to fix it quickly in Windows. Let's get started. Open your browser and go to your search bar. Type dlfilecom and hit enter. Click on the first link that appears. In the website's search bar, type the name of the missing DLL file you're looking for. Once you find the DLL file, click on it to open its download page. Right-click on the Windows Start button and select System. Check your device's system type, whether it's 32-bit or 64-bit. Step 2. Download and extract the DLL file. Download the DLL file that matches your system type. After downloading, click on the folder icon to open the file's location. Right-click on the downloaded zip file and select Extract All. Click on Extract to unzip the file. Copy the extracted DLL file to your clipboard. Step 3. Place the DLL file in the correct folder Expand this PC in File Explorer. Open your local disk, C, and navigate to the Windows folder. If you're using a 32-bit system, paste the copied DLL file into the System 32 folder. If you're using a 64-bit system, paste it into the SysWow 64 folder. Click Continue if prompted. Alright folks, let's tackle the next step to fix the issue. Ready? Here we go. Step 4. Install directx runtime. Open your browser again and search for directx runtime installer. Click on the first link that appears in the search results. Download the directx runtime installer. Once downloaded, click on the folder icon to open the file location. Double-click on the DXWeb setup file to start the installation. When prompted, click Yes. Accept the agreement by selecting I accept the agreement. Click Next through the setup prompts. Click Next through the setup prompts. Click Next through the setup prompts, and let the installation complete. Final step. Restart your PC. Right-click on the Windows Start button. Select Restart to reboot your computer and apply the changes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.